Hi everyone, Tom here again from Smartland, and this is our video tour for 545 East 250th Street, located in Euclid, Ohio. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Right now, we think it's going to rent for about $10.25 a month. The market value on this one is $97,000. This property is located conveniently across the street from one of Euclid's beautiful golf courses. It has all new flooring throughout, new paint, new light fixtures, and both bathrooms have been totally updated. This house also includes new stainless steel appliances. So let's just go take a look at the rest of the property. Over here, we have one of the 2 bathrooms. Both bathrooms have all new flooring, new toilets, new sinks. We also installed new tubs, new shower tiling, and new light fixtures, including a vanity mirror as well. In here we have the kitchen. We refinished the existing cabinets and countertops. We also installed a new sink. We also installed new stainless steel appliances, a new light fixture, and new flooring as well.